Right. All right. It is here. It's finally here. My code wallet from SecuX, the Neo Series Premium Metallic Edition secure wallet right here. We're gonna do an unboxing, do a little review, check it out. Now, go into some pricing, some specs, some do's and don'ts, some things you can do with this cold storage wallet. I advise everybody to get your crypto off of these exchanges, especially during this bull market. Coinbase is not safe. CryptoX is not safe. We know what happened to FTX and other exchanges. They can go out and all your money is gone. But if it's on one of these cold wallets, you can always get to it. So let's kind of dive in and see what we got. What's this about? Unless we got some thick plastic on it, it definitely. No one is getting into it. That's the thing about buying these cold storage wallets online, especially from third-party websites like Amazon, eBay, where it can already be used by somebody. So what they do is there's a scam going around where they send you out a wallet and it's already been opened and got everybody's credentials on it. And then when you load your crypto on it, somebody else knows the seed phrase, the password, and everything, and they can get access to your crypto. So here it is, the box. You see it was secured, has the labels on here. I just ripped open another one here. I'm about to open up. Real secure, real official. That's what you like to see when you're doing these cold storage wallets, ordering them from online. I got this one straight from the SecuX website. We're going to take a look at the website, but let's take a look at the product here. Ooh, this is nice. This is real nice. All right, so here's the wallet right here. Real small, compact, sleek here. SecuX is the Neo Metallic Gray Edition. Let's see if we got any juice. Oh, there we go. Welcome. Yeah, buddy. So we got a couple of language options. Touchscreen, I assume. Perfect. Welcome. Set up the device. Safeguard. Kind of look like an older iPhone 3G. Then you download the mobile app. So you can have a companion app on your phone, similar like a couple of other cold storage wallets where they have the mobile app where you can, sign up, register, get your seed phrases, monitor your crypto profits and losses from the mobile app. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to pull up our camera app and take a picture. And it goes to the App Store, I assume. Yep, goes right to the App Store. And we're going to download that. See what the app looks like. Can never remember my Apple password. Good thing, got that Face ID. All right, so now we got the app. And next, you set up the device PIN, real secure, 4 or 8 digit, just like iPhone. So we're gonna set up our PIN. All right, now we got the PIN set up. PIN is set. And then you can set up a new wallet. So if I had an existing SecuX wallet from an older device, I can restore the older one, but this is the first time using this particular wallet. So we're going to set up new. And then you generate your seed phrase. This is the most important thing when you're doing a cold storage wallet. This is how you get back into your wallet. If you do not remember this seed phrase, your crypto could be potentially lost forever. That is the only downside about using cold storage wallets. You know, with apps, you got customer support, you can reset passwords, get logged in. But with these cold storage, you know, if you lose it with the company app, you could possibly recover it, but without this seed phrase, you are not going to do it. So I'm going to hold off on the seed phrase recording process right now. Make sure I got that written down in secure process. But you see the standard process. Once you put your seed phrase in there, then you can start uploading your crypto from other exchanges. So what you'll do is go to Coinbase, Cash App, anywhere you can buy crypto, purchase it with a debit card, Cash App card, Apple Pay. You know, Coinbase takes all those. But as soon as you purchase it on those exchanges, go ahead and get it off, load it up to this cold storage wallet. Real light, handy. You can put it in a safe, store it away somewhere, and all your money is safe and handy. Just make sure you got the accompanying app. So let's go ahead and take a look at the app. There's SecuX app. All right. And then got it. First time users access, select if your wallet is already set up. So you can actually set up your wallet on here. Like I'm, pretty sure you could. Go through some of these prompts. I read this. I ain't read nothing. Yeah, I read that. All right, and then what we got? We got the Nano. No, we got the Neo-X. The Neo-X, SecuX Neo series. So we're gonna click on Neo series and create new wallet. Now here's something. This is why I kind of wanted to wait. Set aside 30 minutes. Stay in a private environment. Yeah, so I don't want to be recording while I set this seed phrase up. Make sure you're connected to the secure network. And prepare a pen with permanent ink. So you're going to have to go through all this stuff. And it's going to be quite a process to secure your money. When you're dealing with crypto, you're dealing with thousands, 100,000, sometimes potentially millions of dollars, depending on how early you buy in, how much you buy in. So these are secure ETFs, Bitcoins, Ethereum. You can trade on here, Polygon, BNB. Some other wallets I had in the past and some wallets I've actually reviewed on this channel only did Bitcoin and Ethereum. But this one is doing a lot more tokens and exchanges other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's go ahead and take a look at the website and see how it looks and some pricing of some of the products and everything Neo has to offer. Okay, so we are inside the website, SecuX Neo series. You see, trust your crypto journey from ETFs to Bitcoin, simple and secure. Some certified, tech that's going inside these cold storage wallets, large touchscreen, color screen, up to 5,000 coins and tokens and NFTs. You can even store NFTs on here. Very cutting edge, very high tech, something you need, long lasting battery. You can set it up for 2, 3, 4 years without having to charge it. 100% offline and self-custodial. Do not need to be on network. Do not need to connect to the network to access your crypto. MetaMask and Wallet Connect connects with MetaMask, two-factor authentication. Artwork on the Neo-X only. That's what we have, the Neo-X right here, SecuX Neo-X. All right. So they also got the Neo Gold. I got the Platinum Metallic Edition. That's what I ordered, $179. It's a little video. So you see the two different colorways, the gold, the metallic, military grade security chips, all the tokens, everything you need. Real slick, website. I like websites like this. They put money behind it. They care about their product. Manufactured in China and everything. Good, safe, secure. Let's see, NFTs. Now, NFTs, you know, has fallen back from the popularity up in the early 2001, late 2002 timeframe. But with the most recent bull run in 2024, fall 2024, NFTs will be picking back up. A lot of these altcoins will be picking up back up as well. Engrave. I ain't got no engrave. I got that. Got engraving. Oh, wait a minute. We got some more stuff in here. Hey. All right, we got some more stuff in here. I looked at it and see all this engraving stuff. Oh, we got some more tools in here. Oh, what is this? We got this the seed phrase card. You can put your seed phrase in. We got here's the engraver. Perfect. And another one in case you lose your first card. And the USB cord to charge up your device. Comes in this nice Crown Royalish SecuX bag, and along with instruction manuals and things of that nature in here as well. So that is the Nano SecuX Neo-X cold storage wallet. Come with seed phrases, etching tool. I want to scratch the camera lens. Oh, this is official. Oh, man. Man, this thing is official like a whistle. All right, guys. So here's the review. Shout out to SecuX. Go ahead and get yours. Only $179.99. Get some money off with my promo code, link down in the description. Get 15% off with my promo code, link down in the description. Get this tool, get this right away. Secure your crypto coming up with this bull market about to unleash, and everybody's about to get rich. Let's go.